Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, March 7th. And you can see temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s this morning. That's a good 15 to 20 degrees warmer than yesterday. And we're going to continue to see our temperatures warm here. And we're going to stay warm. This won't be just a few day event. It looks like we got a good couple of weeks of pretty mild temperatures coming up. Would not be surprised to see our temperature hit 70 at some point here over the next 2 weeks. One of those days could actually be tomorrow, even though most of the models put upper 50s to as much as the mid 60s. If we get more in the way of sunshine tomorrow, there could be some spots that'll make a run towards 70. But the best bet would be for highs around 60 to 65 tomorrow. So it'll be a very balmy day. And we'll settle back a few degrees as we get to the end of the week, but then we'll warm back over the weekend into the following week. So again, a very nice pattern that should see all of our snow gone by the middle or end of this week. Certainly by next week, all the snow across the area will be gone. If we look at the Great Lakes, you can see widespread 30s and 40s across the area. You can see our winds out of the south, and you can see a better example of that coming up. Here is the screenshot from yesterday. Looking at Lake Huron from Alpena last night, you can see lots of ice at the near shore areas. Again, we'll see this break up a lot here over the next couple of weeks. If we look at the climate data for today, the normal high is 38, our normal low is 20. And you can see yesterday we had a high of 37 after a very cold low of 7, so quite a nice recovery. And again, that'll probably be, again, for the second day in a row, we could say this, that'll probably be the coldest day we see until next winter. If we look at the low-level wind fields again, you can see that while we're going to warm up, all them winds coming out of the south right towards the Great Lakes from the deep south, in addition to the warm temperatures, it's going to bring an added moisture to our pattern as well. If we take a look at the radar, you can see just a few showers across west central lower Michigan. Most of these should dissipate here, and any showers we get today would be very scattered. Best chances, mainly cloudy skies, but I think we got a better chance as the warm air surges into the Great Lakes tonight to see some showers. And with lift indices dropping below zero, we could even see a thunderstorm isolated across the area. If we look at the weather map for this morning, you can see big area high pressure is well off to our east now, and that's going to bring our circulation right out of the south and really warm us up here over the coming days. And as energy approaches from the west, we'll see an increasing chance of showers this week. And if we look ahead by Wednesday, this will be our best chance. Tuesday night into Wednesday morning will be our best chance of rain as a cold front comes through. But again, not a lot of cold air behind us, mainly Pacific origin air mass, as the main jet stream from the northern branch stays well to the north. And then again, as the next system begins to move towards the plain states, that'll get the ridge back in place, and we'll see our temperatures rise once again as we get towards the weekend. But overall, pretty much every day, we're going to be at least in the 50s. And I think, again, tomorrow we could get well into the 60s, and then I think we'll also approach 60s over the weekend as well. If we look at the next shot, this is the GFS, and over the last 4 or 5 days, it's grudgingly gotten a little bit warmer and warmer on each run. Now has 50s across all the lower peninsula, and it is to be noted that the European model has 60-degree temperatures everywhere across the lower peninsula, with the exception of the immediate shoreline. So again, very warm temperatures expected tomorrow on all the models. And as far as the next 6 to 10 day, and you can also add the 8 to 14 day, looks very similar to this. Much of the nation much above normal temperatures. In fact, I think here in mid-Michigan and all the MAC area, LAC areas, we'll see our average temperatures about 10 to 20 degrees above normal for the foreseeable future. And as far as precipitation, definitely going to be on the wetter side with very heavy rains across the lower Mississippi Valley up into the Ohio Valley and parts of the eastern Corn Belt. And for us here in the Great Lakes and southwest Ontario, it looks like we'll see about 1.25 inches to 1.75 inches. Again, we'll keep an eye on future model runs. So certainly with the rapid snow melt from the warm temperatures and some significant rain here over the next 5 days, no doubt low-lying areas and normally areas that are prone to flooding this time of year, certainly will have a chance for that as well. And thanks for stopping by again. Have a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.